Hello, this is Steve Kornbluth and I'm with SafeBridge Mortgages. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about private financing, private first and second mortgages, what it is, how to get it, what are the costs involved. A lot of people are looking for private financing right now because the banks are turning them down and even other mortgage brokers aren't able to help you. What the purpose of this video is today is to explain what private financing is, what are the costs involved, what you need to look out for. I really want to educate the people out there and let them know what their options are. A lot of people will start applying everywhere for private finance mortgages and they really don't have any shot at getting it. So I want to save some people some time here, put out this video. I'm going to pull back the curtains and let everyone know what's really involved, what are the costs involved, what are the fees involved, what you need to look out for. So with that in mind, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the first thing you need to know in order to get private financing, and that is you need to know how much equity you have in your property. Okay? Equity is basically the difference between what you owe in your mortgage and what your home is worth. So if your home is worth $100,000 and your first mortgage is $75,000, you have $25,000 worth of equity. And that means your property loan to value is 75%. That number, loan to value, is very important to keep in mind because that's what lenders look at. Typically, I can arrange financing up to 90% loan to value of the property. That's not for power of sale and arrear situations. We tend to get a little bit lower loan to values. So you'll have a really good idea about how much money you can get out of the property by knowing what your loan to value is. Next thing I want to talk to you about is the type of people who look for private financing. Typically, these people are going through a tough situation right now. They might be in arrears on their current first mortgage or second mortgage. They might be going through a divorce. They might have lost their job. They might have been injured, and they've lost their income for a short time frame. And I really want to help these people out, get them back on track. Another type of people that I help out is people who have significant credit and consumer debts. And they've gone to their bank and the banks have told them, unfortunately, because of your credit situation or you don't earn enough income to support your mortgage payment, we can't help you out. I want to help out those people. Third group of people we look after are the self-employed people. These are people who can't traditionally provide any sort of documentation or income verification that the banks would like to see, and we help those people out as well. The other things you got to look out for when doing private financing are what are the costs involved. And typically, the higher the loan to value we go, say up to 85 to 90%, the higher the interest rate you're going to pay. So if we're doing an 85% loan to value mortgage for a second, you can expect to pay at least 15% in terms of interest rates. Lenders also charge an administrative fee as well, which typically can range from 2% of the mortgage amount, and I've seen it go up to as high as 10% of the mortgage amount. So that's something you got to keep in mind as well. Brokers like me also charge fees for our services because lenders don't pay us a finder's fee. So because of that, we do charge fees. For example, my fees start at $2,500 and they go up from there depending on the complexity of the transaction. A lot of brokers actually send me deals because they're not able to place it themselves, so they come and see me. So if you come see me directly, then that's one less broker that you have to pay. And also, I'm sure you can find brokers out there who charge a little bit less, but please remember you get what you pay for, and you need to find out if that broker is going to be working with you over the next year or two to repair your credit situation and make sure that we're able to place you with an institutional financing in the following year or two to get you back. So with all that in mind, I would invite for you to give me a call if you'd like to have a conversation with me or even a consultation. Let me know about your situation. It's a no-fee, free consultation. I will be completely open and honest with you about whether or not we can help you. My phone number is 905-290-0180, or you can email me at steve@safebridgefinancial.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.